Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you have multiple Word documents open and want to close only the one on which you are working, then either click the X in the upper right corner of the application window, or click the File tab in the ribbon, and then click the Close command at the left side of the Backstage view. Doing this closes the document window. However, if you only have a single document open and you want to leave the Word application open after closing the current document, you must click the File tab in the ribbon and then click the Close command. This is because clicking the X button in the upper right corner of the application window when only one document is open closes the document and also exits the application.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.